Okay, we're in another home, getting it ready for someone to live in. And I should have shown you the before pictures of that backsplash. Somebody used those square tiles for their backsplash. And when I was taking them off, as you can see the imprints, right over the stove there was this nice soft spot. This is why we take things apart, because usually people put bandages up like that to hide stuff, and this is all because of the exhaust vent that leads out, as you can see, not really put in properly. And we've got some wet wood, and when you come down here, all of that wood right there is going to have to be redone. It's like slush, barely touched it and it fell apart. So this is where the stove goes. So we're going to have to take care of that. Get all this finished. And I feel a little bit of soft spot right through here too. We're tearing up this floor anyways. We'll have to pull a little bit of subfloor down. You can see I have the insulation that I pulled out right there. So we're inside this home, getting it ready. And we still have some more sanding and painting to do. But since the kitchen was this kind of yellow color, we decided to paint the living room the same thing so it's uniform, because each panel you saw was a different color. And it just broke everything up. It didn't look right. We're going to come out here what we're working on today, because this is major. We've had some subfloor issues that had to be addressed. And we're coming out here. We got Steve here today working on some outside metal siding. And we just had a lot of rain right now. And as you can see, if you look close, you can see some wet raindrops on here. It came pouring down with the insulation. So we really got to get this done today, because this next few days we're going to have a lot of rain. Yeah, all next week. So this can really ruin your house inside. And then we got a hole there, and I'm going to do something right now so we can get over here and replace this. I'm going to put like a little drape of metal over it so no more water can get inside. They have an addition on this house. And you see that foam stuff right there. This panel is going to come off. We're going to completely, we have two new ones. That one is the one that we just took off. But they had an addition on this house, and when the movers went, when the movers went to pull it, they said, "Oh no, you can pull it, everything's off." And guess what? No, it wasn't. So it tore this whole section. That's what we're doing today. That's right. And you can get these metal sheets at your mobile home stores, retail stores. They sell for anywhere between $80 and $90 for, what is that, a 4x8? 4x10? Those are 3x8s? Okay.
But there are places online that are cheaper, but you still have to pay for shipping.
Yeah, so it just works out. Just go locally and pick it up.
And you don't have to wait for it.
That's right. And that's what we did. So once we get the siding tucked on right, then we can put the back door back up. It's a brand new back door. Oh, there it is. Up against the house over there. So I'll come in here and I'll show you. This is absolutely what it looks like right here. It goes on the outside. Really pretty white, brand new piece. And there's like ridges right here, because this part actually tucks in so that no water can get into it. And we'll show you how we do that when we're about ready to put that up. So front door, I get to put another screen up right there. Just tore down the old one. It had some holes in it. This is a 3-bedroom. And this is the middle room. We don't have electricity on right now because we still got to pass inspection. This is one room that has a walk-in closet over there. This used to be a mauve color. Let me see if you can see that color right there. That's what it was. So we painted this gray, you can't really tell. And in the bathroom here, same thing. It was a dark green, as dark as that countertop right there. It looked like a cave in here. We couldn't even see it with no lights on. But look at the difference. With no lights on, you can at least walk in here and say, hey, there is a bathroom here. So once we get the lights on, I'm gonna check the tub for any cracks or anything like that. Hope to God there isn't, because cheap plastic tubs in mobile homes do cost a lot more than a regular steel tub that you can get like at Lowe's. But they kept the house, you know, in decent shape. What we're gonna do is put carpet all the way down in here. The floor is in decent shape in here, so we'll leave it. But we'll cover this all up. We'll just leave it. Extra water protection barrier. But they'll come in and put the padding in all the way in here. We're just gonna leave these square tiles on the floor too and just cover it with carpet, because that's like another extra padding for water. And it's a little bar area. We'll show pictures of it after it's all done. Trash we gotta take today. And then we'll walk over here to the master bedroom, because it has its own walk-in bath. I just tore down all the border, and it's a pretty decent color, so we're gonna leave it. The walls, there's nothing wrong with the walls. And this is the little walk-in closet. It's kind of roomy in here. We'll leave the floors. I don't have to put any rug in there for the carpet. I'm just gonna put carpet in the master. We'll leave the floors here. But all in all, it's pretty decent. I'm gonna come in and paint this one wall because they had some type of shelving in, you can see. So, continuing on, they like butterflies. I'm not taking them off the wall. I tried to take one off and it tore the vinyl paneling right there, so now I have to patch it. So if somebody doesn't like butterflies, oh well. They can close their eyes when they come into the bathroom, I guess. But this is the panel. Our electrician came in and hooked everything up. So you see the panel box way over there. That's what he did. We'll take a walk over there so you can see what he did as far as what the inspector is looking for. When they come out, they want to see that it's at least 3 feet deep, and how they run wires underneath. And once this passes, then MCEC will come out here, put their meter on, and we can have electricity. So I see Steve kind of assessing the situation there. Wondering if he's going to take that off and pound it out too, I think. What do you think?
Something weird.
Something weird? What's going on?
These aluminum siding panels don't look like they were put on properly.
They weren't tucked in and put in properly?
Yeah, you see we got exposed wood up underneath the lip for the gutters right here. And this one's the same way. It looks like it covers a piece of wood up there, but then it gets low as further it comes down this way.
Well, that gutter's supposed to overlap it like it is.
Yeah, I know.
So the water comes down instead of up and down. Maybe that panel's a little short. But they just, you know, I think Steve too, from pulling it away from the house, it hold it. So we'll probably have to take it off and readjust it. Because I see where right there is an issue.
Yeah,
And I can see how that came out. Because from over there.
Yeah, you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. But it's underneath.
Yeah, this has been getting wet for a while. That's not just from the last few days we've had it here.
No, in fact, Dustin said right over there he had to replace the wood all the way down because it was like that. This is interesting. It's like, this is kind of hard, but this is soft, and this is hard. It's like a sandwich.
Yeah. This is the support sill,